Hello,
Hello,
hello.
Sushant.
How are you, Kanchan?
I'm doing great. How are you? How's the
I'm
weather?
absolutely fine. Weather is crazy in Dubai. It's like it says 32 degrees, but it is worst. It's
Oh
like
my God.
humid and it's about 90% humidity. So you can imagine the 38, 32 degrees feels like you come out of a washroom and you're sweating if you're
You're
not in the AC.
sweating
So,
completely. Oh my God, that's hell.
so
We
it's
were back
bad. It's
then.
bad. Back, that is history. But yeah, it does remind me of those days when we were. So how are you doing?
I'm doing perfectly because the weather is crazy. It's been raining so hard in here in Mumbai. It's flooding already. Yeah.
In fact, to be very honest, when I was in Pune, I used to love rains in Pune, so I miss that kind of rain here. It doesn't rain as
Oh,
that bad. Yeah, yeah. The only time it rained was, and I think it became a national, or forget it, national, it became a global scenario because Dubai was underwater almost.
oh yeah. Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. We did.
yeah.
We did listen about Dubai that time.
Yeah,
It
so
was
it was
flooding
one day
bad.
rain. It was one day rain, and it was like it was crazy.
That's what happening to Mumbai right now. It's been like 4 days it's raining and it's already flooded. I mean, July it's still there. I don't know
Yeah,
what's
I
gonna
know.
happen to Mumbai. But it's so
But I think
surprising you're from Pune.
yeah, yeah, no, I was not from Pune as such, but yeah, I have studied in Pune and my work started in Pune. So that was about 26 years of my life I've spent in Pune, which is a long,
Oh,
long time.
so you
Yeah,
know a
yeah.
lot about Pune than me.
I know Pune in and out. I've stayed everywhere. I've stayed all across Pune during my school life and college life. So
Oh, that's
yeah,
great.
yeah. And
My
I mean, my hometown I hardly stayed for till my 12th, till my 10th
okay.
rather. So only till 14 years old, and then I left. So it's been.
Where is your hometown by the way?
It was a very small town called Bokaro, part of Jharkhand now. It is part of Bihar earlier, but
Oh,
part of Jharkhand now. Yeah.
okay, okay, okay.
So
That's
I did
great.
study there.
My mom's hometown is Pune actually. Up
Oh,
in
really?
PMC. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh, very much. Yeah, yeah, yeah. PCMC.
Yeah. PCMC, sorry. Yeah. So
Yeah,
I studied my
yeah.
11th, 12th there. So my mom and my
Pune,
granny was
Pune.
there.
The only thing Pune taught me is weird names. And to be very
Oh, yeah.
honest, it had those names when I came in from the city that I came in from. There were certain names that were abuses in our city.
Oh my God.
So we were
Yeah.
like, yeah, yeah, yeah. So we were like, boss, should I speak this name? And
Speak this name or
once
not? Yeah.
I was talking to my dad and I said, I'm at this place. He said, why the fuck are you giving me abuse? I said, I'm not abusing you. This is the name of the
Abusing.
place. I
That's
can't
what they
help it.
say. It. Yeah. So you might have learned
But anyway,
Marathi so well, I think.
yeah, to an extent, yeah. I don't speak very well, but yeah, I definitely speak.
Oh,
Uh,
that's
uh,
great. I think there's a glitch.
yeah, yeah, no, sorry.
Yeah.
I was just so yeah. So good to have you here, Kanchan. I think you've been
Oh,
doing. I have known you and I have followed you for a while. So I'm so touchwood, but I'm really really glad to see how you have come up and how you have kind of broken the barriers and broken the jargons and trying to come up. So I think this talk that we're going to have is going
yeah.
to be more of just to understand what you have done, what I have done. I think it's just a normal, experience it like we're
Conversation.
just sitting for coffee next to each other. Obviously, we are like
Right.
3 hours away,
Right.
but let's have a normal conversation. I just want to
Of course,
understand
of
you, what
course.
you've done. Yeah. So
Of
so
course.
let's have that,
Yeah.
and maybe a mix it with a little Hindi, English. I think that's the way people would love to hear us. Uh, my
Also, I mean, I'm so sorry to interrupt. Also,
No,
I
no,
would
no, go ahead.
really like to thank you for giving this an opportunity where I can just talk because, I used to manifest all of this that I am giving interview, I'm talking about my life, how my journey has been. And then suddenly out of nowhere, you just came up about this. I was so surprised. I was like, my manifestation and everything is coming to light. Maybe my journey had just started and more to come. And I'm so happy
Yeah, yeah.
about it. Thank you so
No, no,
much.
no, no, you're most welcome. And I think the idea of TFB talk, real talk was, yeah, idea was nothing. I was just toying with this thing. And I said, yeah, a lot of people do podcasts, a lot of people do,
Right.
sessions, but not many people talk to people who are just either upcoming or who are trying to make it big on their own terms. My
Right.
purpose is not to try and find people who are not doing it good on, who are already doing good. But I
Right.
think our journeys are similar, and people who have come out of nothing and trying to make a mark in their own
Mark in
fields
life.
is what
Right.
inspires me. So I, even when I
Right.
met Hemant, when I was talking to him, Hemant is,
Right.
probably in his own niche he's doing very well, but may
Okay.
not be a very well known actor. But the way he
Mhm.
spoke and the when I got to know him, it is completely different. Same is with you.
Different.
So we have seen each other on
Yeah.
Instagram, on Reels and stuff.
Right.
But I think
Right.
let's dig
Oh.
deep into that.
Yeah.
See, the objective, like I said, is very simple. Let's break the stereotype. People,
Mm-hmm.
put us in a specific bucket कि ये ऐसा ही है, ये ऐसा ही
ऐसा
कर
ही
सकता
होना
है, ये इतना
चाहिए.
ऐसा ही
Right.
होना चाहिए और ये इतना ही करेगा. But
Right.
if I ask you, Instagram वाली कंचन और
Yeah.
असली कंचन में क्या डिफरेंस है? What's the difference between the real
I think I lost you somewhere.
I said, let's start with that. So, what is the
Yeah.
real difference between the Instagram Kanchan and the real Kanchan?
So on Instagram, you can see my pictures. You can have a judgment over my personality. I'm very bold
Hmm.
and I'm like very dhakar kind of Kanchan who has an attitude or something. People would never see me like this in real life. I'm very kind, very genuine, very humble, and I'm very like a motherly to all my friends and all my loved ones. But there is also this Kanchan who is very dhakar and come across very bold as a personality. I balanced both the personality in my real life, but
Okay.
once what happened, I had invited all my friends, close friends, to my birthday party, and they know me on my Instagram only. So they have never come to my house where I am actually cleaning, doing chores and everything. They were so shocked, like Kanchan ये सब भी करती है. I was like, yes, Kanchan खाना भी बनाती है, Kanchan घर में साफ सफाई भी करती है. Of course, it's a part of my life. So my mom has also taught me like सब कुछ आना चाहिए life में, no matter what happens.
I know,
So
I
this
know.
is who I
Great,
am.
great. So you technically what you put out there and what you're very true to yourself is what I can kind
Very,
of
very unapologetic to
gauge.
myself. Yes, this is who
And
I am.
okay, ऐसी कौन सी insecurity है, if I ask you, जो still stays with you, still walks with you, still
I think I lost you again.
I said, is there any insecurity that you feel is
Yeah.
still आपके साथ चलती है वो? मतलब you feel there is something that is still there that you are holding on to. Any insecurity?
I think I don't think so. I figured that out, but most of the people have body को लेके insecurities, mindset को लेके insecurities. I don't think so. I hold on any insecurity. I'm like I am true to myself, and I've accepted who I am, my mindset, the way I talk, and the way I am. So I don't think so. I have any insecurity till now. Maybe in future I might have
Hmm.
some, but right now I don't think so. I'm very
Okay,
bold to myself and to this
great.
world.
I know, I completely relate to most of the things that you have said so far. The reason
Yeah.
why I relate to it is because in my own personal life, मैं खुद भी when I started building up my fitness journey and I wanted to get fitter at life, people had their own judgmental ideas,
Right.
ideation. Probably judge करती है आपको, अरे आप ऐसे हो सोशल मीडिया में
Yeah.
तो आप ऐसे कर रहे हो, आपकी ये
Yeah.
पिक्चर ऐसे हो गए,
Yeah.
and specifically a woman or a girl trying to build out of her break out of
Phone.
her phone, it is a very different story. A guy will still get away with a lot of things, a girl doesn't. She's still the
Right.
question mark. So I do agree to what you said, and
But
most of the things that we
when this mindset comes ना कि boy एक लड़का बहुत easily कर लेता है और एक लड़की नहीं कर सकती, then you have a limitation in you are
correct,
staying in a
correct,
box. So I
correct,
never had this कि एक लड़का कर सकता है पर एक लड़की क्यों नहीं कर सकती और लोग judgment कर.
absolutely,
I was like अगर लोग judge कर रहे हैं तो करने दो, let them judge you,
yeah,
let them sit
yeah,
and talk about you, but it should not bother you. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you should respect, you should love who you are. People are going to talk until you die. Even
correct,
if you think ना वो होता है ना मेंटालिटी, चार लोग क्या बोलेंगे, चार लोग कोई नहीं होता, देयर इज नो चार
हाँ
लोग इन दिस वर्ल्ड, इट्स जस्ट योर फैमिली members. If you convince
yeah
your family members, then you are like a free bird, you can do whatever you
yeah
want in your whole
yeah
life.
yeah
That's what
and
I think.
I completely agree. Sorry to cut you, but I completely agree with what you're saying because what I have been taught और मैंने जो सीखा है लाइफ में वो यही है कि अगर आप
Mm.
एक उंगली किसी पे दिखाते हो तो आपकी तीन उंगलियां आपकी तरफ ही है. So
Right.
technically, those people who are talking, they're actually talking
Yeah.
their mentality. They're not talking what the society wants.
True.
Their mentality.
True.
So,
True.
so I
True.
agree. Both of us, I
True.
think, are on the same page on that front, and I think
Yeah.
that's the way we have. Uh, my other question is to hovering around the subject. ड्रीम्स वर्सेस एक्सपेक्टेशंस, मतलब हमारे जो
Yeah.
सपने होते हैं और हमारा जो
Yeah.
एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है, हमारे से जो एक्सपेक्ट
Yes.
किया जाता है, रादर
Yes.
स्पेसिफिकली इट कैन बी फैमिली, इट कैन बी sisters, all that. Or we all come from a joint kind of, not, I would not say a joint family, but we all come from a family which has connected with multiple people. We have multiple people in
Right.
them. At least मेरी family में
Right.
तो 200 लोग हैं, 250 लोग हैं.
Right.
So, no, it's a huge family. My dad is 4 brothers, 4 sisters.
Huge
My mom
family.
is, yeah, so it's a
Okay.
huge family. So ultimately, it's like
Right.
that. But
Right. Right.
हर घर में ना एक वर्जन होता है जो द पेरेंट्स थिंक अबाउट इट, लाइक पेरेंट्स देखना चाहते हैं. जैसे माई डैड वांटेड मी टू बी अ डॉक्टर, बट मुझे डॉक्टर नहीं बनना था. तो हर एक
Right.
वर्जन होता है. सो व्हाट इज दैट वर्जन दैट योर पेरेंट्स थॉट ऑफ यू, एंड डिड यू हैव एनी चैलेंजेस टू काइंड ऑफ ओवरकम दैट माइंडसेट?
This was very crazy because my parent, as my father, had very low expectation from me. That
हम्म
ये कुछ करेगी भी life में, ऐसा expectation था. So when I was in my 10th, he thought I will not even score 35% in my CBSE, but I happened to score like 65%, and I was so happy about it. And he was so surprised. And later
हम्म
in life, I did my 10th, completed my 10th, like अब क्या करना है life के साथ. So he's like, science le lo. I was like, okay, all right, I'll do science. And then I understood one thing that मैं जो कर रही हूँ ना उससे मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. If I'm not happy with this, I cannot do this for my entire life. क्योंकि एक point के बाद
हम्म
आप खुद भी
हम्म
थक जाते हो.
हम्म
तो my
हम्म
father was like, नहीं तू dental कर, इसीलिए मेरे को
हम्म
science लेने को
हम्म
लिया. But then I
हम्म
couldn't do it. I said like, अब भी मुझे जो करना है, that I will choose. I'll start taking decisions of my life because I'm old enough. I know what to do and what not to do. So
करेक्ट.
he's like, okay, do whatever you want. So he gave me a free hand. तुझे जो college लेना है तू ले, तुझे जो पढ़ना है you go for it. Then I did my bachelor's and bachelor's के साथ मुझे लगा मुझे और पढ़ना है, तो मैंने bachelor's के साथ diploma भी start किया. तो मैं college भी करती थी, diploma भी करती थी. So I challenged myself कि no, you have to do this. You have to see where you can go. आप कितना ले सकते हो, कितना पढ़ सकते हो. तो that I saw कि I'm a multitasker. I can do multiple things at one time. I can take the responsibility of my career कि मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, मुझे लाइफ में कुछ करना है. सो दैट आई डोंट थिंक सो माय पेरेंट्स कुड सी, बट दे वुड लाइक नहीं कर रही है, करने दो. सो दे गिव
ओके
मी अ अपर हैंड टू
ओके
दैट. सो इवन
ओके
टुडे आई हैव चेंज माय फील्ड. My father is still concerned कि कर लेगी क्या, कैसे करेगी, and all of that. He still have concern. Like my mom is like, भरोसा रखो, पेशेंस रखो, you never know what bright this kid is going to be. And everybody is so proud of me right now. Like I knew this day is going to come because I figured it out when I was in 12th.
हम्म
मैं अपनी नानी के पास रहती थी. I used to sit and think कि 5 साल में क्या करना है. 5 साल में इंडिपेंडेंट बनना है, फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल करना है, मुझे थिएटर करना है, मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है, मुझे फॉरेन कंट्री में जाना. ये तब मुझे 12th में मैंने लिख दिया था कि दिस हैज टू बी देयर. एंड टुडे आई सी माई सेल्फ डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो मुझे समझता है कि whatever I think, it's gonna come in real. I just need patience in my life and
या
do what
या
I want to pursue in my life.
या
That's it. I can reach to the level what I want in my life. That's what I think.
Good. So I think you harping on some very valid points. One of them being very clearly manifestation. And I think हम जब कुछ
Yeah.
manifest करते हैं और फन का डायलॉग है ना, आप किसी चीज को कायनात को चाहो तो
कायनात
कायनात
भी
दिला दो,
आपके पास ले
all that
आती
I
है.
think I think I
राइट
think all
राइट.
that happens. Actually it's true, and it's not something that I'm trying to make it up, but I think when you believe in something it does happen, and I believed in having something. I'm here doing what I'm loving doing. मैं ना जब आपसे बात कर रहा था, I think there were two three things that came to my mind. I jotted them down and I wanted to understand, take your points on that. One is we did talk about, or your notes did talk about a turning point आपकी लाइफ में आया था 10th वाला स्टैंडर्ड में.
Yeah,
So there's
yeah,
a
yeah.
turning point in 10th standard, and then you had certain differences with your dad, which you had to work out,
Yes,
iron
yes,
out.
yes.
And third, out of that same question, when did you feel that your life, you should choose your own life? So these are three aspects when we're discussing. मुझे समझना चाहता था आपसे कि क्या आपके दिमाग में चल रहा था उस समय.
Uh, I was very stubborn kind of kid that time, you know. I was like, मैं अभी कुछ भी हो रहा है ना, तो किसी के लिए स्टैंड लेना हो तो मैं खड़ी हूँ आपके लिए, कुछ भी हो जाए, दुनिया नीचे चली जाए, मैं आपके लिए स्टैंड लूंगी, कुछ भी हो जाए. तो आई
Hmm.
वाज लाइक आई हैव टू टेक स्टैंड फॉर माई सेल्फ. एंड दैट टाइम आई वाज जस्ट वाचिंग सारेगामापा आई थिंक विथ माई फादर. एंड आई थिंक देयर वाज अ सिंगर, वो लड़का और लड़की की आवाज में गा रही थी. एंड वी हैड अ कॉन्वर्जेशन एंड देयर वाज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन अस. एंड यू नो ही थॉट लाइक आई एम कंप्रेसिंग, या फिर मैं बहुत ज्यादा एटीट्यूड दिखा रही हूँ, या फिर यू नो औरतें बहुत कर सकती है लाइफ में, यू नो दैट मेंटालिटी की आदमी ही सब कुछ करता है. सो there was something like that. So we had a very heated argument, and that day
Oh,
I
really?
thought कि नहीं, I have to do something and I have to be independent on myself. Like मुझे कुछ कर दिखाना है कि औरतें भी करके दिखा सकती है लाइफ में, नो मैटर व्हाट. एंड ऑलरेडी मुझे से कम लिखा जाता कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती लाइफ में. So I was like, अभी दिखाऊंगी मैं करके who I am and what I can do in my life. And उसके बाद things turned around everything, and then I shifted to my nani's place. I did my college, everything there, and I started jotting down my dreams. I wanted to do this, I wanted to do that, I want to make this happen and all of that. एंड एवरी टाइम इन माई लाइफ माई फादर कुछ तो बोल के जाते हैं, और फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता है नहीं, आई एम गोना मेक दिस हैपन नो मैटर व्हाट. कुछ भी बोलो, मैं करके दिखाऊंगी उनको. तो ये माइंडसेट बहुत ग्रोइंग माइंडसेट था. मैं ऐसे
Very
नहीं हूँ
good.
कि मैं ऐसे चुप रह जाऊंगी. आई वाज लाइक, कोई मेरे लिए स्टैंड ले या नहीं ले, मैं खुद के लिए स्टैंड लूंगी, और आज के बाद मैं पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखूंगी. आई एम गोना
Excellent
मेक दिस
mentality.
हैपन.
Excellent.
एंड ऐसे नहीं है कि उनके साथ वो रहा है कि उन्होंने सब लेट गो करके दिया है मुझे लाइफ में. ऐसा सिल्वर स्पूनिंग कभी नहीं था. मुझे कुछ करना है, मैं उनको बोलती हूँ, फिर वो बोलते नहीं ऐसा नहीं वैसा नहीं. तो आई हैव टू प्रूव देम ऑफ कि नहीं, मैं करके दिखा सकती हूँ. आई विल शो यू, आई डू इट. सो आई वैसे मैंने अपना डिप्लोमा भी किया कि कैसे मैनेज करेगी तू, इवेंट्स कैसे करेगी, कॉलेज कैसे करेगी, एक साथ एग्जाम्स कैसे देगी. आई वाज लाइक, I challenge myself, I will take it and I'll do and prove it. And I did that. And I was very happy about it. और जैसे ही मैं पेरिस भी गई थी, we had like 4 months of conflict कि तू नहीं जा सकती, तू यहीं पे कर ले, you'll not do it, you'll not. मैंने किया, मैं वापस आ गई, and everybody is so proud about it. I was like, मुझे बस खुद पे विश्वास रखना है और खुद को एक डायरेक्शन में लेके जाना है. दैट्स इट. एवरीबॉडी इज गोइंग टू बी प्राउड. एंड आई हैव बीन वेरी सेल्फिश टू माई सेल्फ. वन थिंग कि अगर मैं खुश हूँ, इफ आई एम हैप्पी विद द जॉब आई एम डूइंग, ऑफ कोर्स योर पेरेंट्स आर गोइंग टू बी हैप्पी. So you have to be selfish to your dreams and make them understand what you're doing is right and you're going to the right direction. Is what I
Excellent.
kept thinking the whole time.
No, I think a couple of a few points that I can basically take out from your speech, your talk right now, जो मुझे समझता है मेरी लाइफ में भी, because मेरे घर पे था कि बहुत प्रेशर डॉक्टर बनो, एंड माय डैड वाज अ डॉक्टर, सो आई डिड माय बायोलॉजी, आई स्टडीड बायोलॉजी, और फिर मैं
Yeah.
मेडिकल के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में तैयारी करने लगा. फर्स्ट ईयर में नहीं हुआ, सो आई ड्रॉप्ड 1 year, एंड देन आई वेंट टू दिल्ली आफ्टर माय सिस्टर. और फिर मैं वहां जाके 1 साल मैंने कोचिंग करी, सचदेवा और वट एवर, आई डोंट नो. और उसके बाद मैं बीमार पड़ गया. जब एग्जाम का टाइम आया तो मैं बहुत सीरियसली बीमार पड़ गया, मैं एग्जाम दे नहीं पाया. तो मैं डैड सेड कि तुझे एक और ट्राई करना चाहिए, एंड आई मेड माई माइंड अप कि यार 2 साल हो गया, 1 साल ब्रेक ले लिया, 1 साल ड्रॉप कर
Right.
दिया, अब फिर से
Right.
मैं इसको चालू करूं. तो आई सेड नहीं. सो आई ऑल्सो मूव्ड, एंड बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू यू नो establish here, or rather I'm trying to say that both of us have the same common thing, is being selfish. जब तक आप
Yeah.
अपने लिए selfish नहीं होगे ना, आप कितना भी कुछ कर लो, you will not be able
Exactly.
to be successful. And I think that's what you've done, and
Exactly.
I completely understand that. So that's a very good uh, मतलब मेरे को ये लगता है ना, ड्रीम्स एक्सपेंसिव हो जाती हैं, इन अ नटशेल इफ आई हैव टू से.
I agree.
अगर आपने अप्रूवल रिक्वायरमेंट बन जाता है, इफ योर अप्रूवल फ्रॉम
Yeah.
समवन becomes a
Yeah.
requirement, your dreams are
Right.
expensive. Why do you
Right.
need the approval? It's my dream, I need to do it, simple.
Exactly.
And I think that's a very
Exactly.
good thing that you have said. Uh, I think मेरे को एक और चीज आपसे समझनी है. इनफैक्ट आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ दैट इन यू एंड आई एम सो प्राउड टू से दैट आई हैव सीन दैट चेंज ऑफ Kanchan over the time that I have known you on Instagram
Yeah.
is the way you have established. When I was checking your our chats on Instagram and I saw the first one when we chatted and the last one that we have chatted, there's a huge difference between Kanchan
Different.
then and Kanchan now. I mean, 2 years or whatever.
Yeah.
But I think एक thing that you have earned or you have developed in yourself over the years, not that you did not have it then, but I'm saying you developed it, you've grown it, and you will still further grow. It is your confidence level. Your confidence has
Yeah.
just sky high and your roof matlab, taken the roof down. So uh, I think there must have been time wherein you would have had to fake a confidence maybe. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है मेरे साथ शुरू में जब मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं था तो मुझे फेक करना पड़ता था कि यार मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, गिव मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, बट दैट वाज द टाइम. Obviously now it's not the time because I know what I'm doing and you know what you're doing. But was
Right.
there any moment in your life where आपको भी confidence fake करना पड़ा था, या how did you handle these trolls? Because you still be getting trolls by the kind of photos
Of
and videos you
course.
post. So
Of
how did you
course.
handle them? And फेलियर अगर आपका कभी हुआ तो व्हाट वाज द बिगेस्ट लेसन? सो दीज आर थ्री एस्पेक्ट्स दैट आई वांटेड टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू.
Hmm. Confidence. So, what is the definition of confidence? For me, confidence is being true to yourself. क्या छुपाना है? तुम खुद हो,
करेक्ट.
तुम जैसे हो तुम वैसे ही स्टैब्लिश करो खुद को लोगों के सामने. So there was no point in my life like I had to fake who I am because I accepted myself. Because लोग मेरे आजू बाजू में ना बहुत मुझे बुली करते थे, मेंटली हो गया और फिजिकली हो गया, और मैं फिजिकल अपीयरेंस तक. तो मुझे एक बात समझ में आया यहाँ पे कि इफ people are going to talk about me that like in such a way, मुझे खुद के लिए तो खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा ना.
सही बात
I
है.
have to accept myself and people are not accepting. I have to accept myself who I am. So from there my confidence level lifted up little bit कि मुझे लोगों के सामने फेक नहीं बनना है. मैं जो हूँ वो हूँ सामने लोगों के. एंड कभी कभी मुझे भी कॉन्फिडेंस लो लगता है लाइफ में. इफ आई एम नॉट गेटिंग अप फ्रॉम माई बेड और आई एम नॉट फीलिंग टू डू समथिंग. मुझे 2 हफ्ते अभी मैं ठीक नहीं थी, सो आई वॉज नॉट रिकॉर्डिंग एनीथिंग.
या
मुझे
आई सॉ.
बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस लो फील हो रहा था कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू मेक वीडियोज अगेन, आई एम नॉट एबल टू टॉक वेल. सो वहां पे कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कभी कभी गिर जाता था. एंड व्हाट्स द सेकंड पॉइंट?
हाउ डिड यू हैंडल ट्रोल्स? आई एम श्योर आपको ट्रोल अभी भी
ट्रोल्स.
आते होंगे.
यस ऑफ कोर्स 100%. वो बोलते हैं ना कि अगर आपके घर शीशे के होते हैं लोग पत्थर फेंकने वाले. सो बी रेडी फॉर दैट. एक्सेप्ट इट. एक्सेप्टेंस हैज ब्रॉट मी अ लॉट इन माय लाइफ. अगर आप खुद को एक्सेप्ट कर लो हाउ यू आर, द फर्स्ट बैटल यू विन इन लाइफ. यू एक्सेप्ट देयर आर गोइंग टू बी ट्रोल्स, गुड, हैप्पी, वो एक निकल जाता है. यू एक्सेप्ट योर पेरेंट्स आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इट, आपके रिलेटिव्स आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इट. दैट्स इट. उनके अलावा अगर कोई भी मुझे ट्रोल कर रहा है ना, I don't give a shit about it because they don't know me personally. They don't know what I am doing and where I am aiming for. What is the big picture in
या.
my life? That's how I handle all these trolls. But कभी कभी एक लो फेज आ जाता है कि सब लोग इतनी गंदे कमेंट्स करते हैं ना कि oh my god. Then वहां पे my parents come in the picture. There's like छोड़ ना, क्या सोच रही है तू. They are going to troll you and it's okay. You know who you are now. In the end of the day, that matters. You are
या.
a good person in real life. That matters. That's
या.
it. You keep
या.
aiming. You never know. So
या.
you have to accept trolls are going to come and they are only going to lift you up in life to
एब्सोल्युटली.
prove people
एब्सोल्युटली.
wrong. So
मुझे तो
that's
ये
how I
लगता है ना.
handle things.
मुझे तो ये लगता है कि जब आपकी लाइफ में ट्रोल आना चालू हो जाए ना और ज्यादा ट्रोल करे लोग, तो आप बड़े हुए हो,
Famous
आप
हो
बड़ी
गए.
लीग में आ गए हो, आप बड़ी लीग में आ गए हो. You know,
Yes, yes.
I take that with a pinch of salt because when I post videos also on IG, obviously my old IG got deactivated or suspended, and the new one. You wouldn't
Yeah.
believe the kind of messages I've had, and I've not deleted them because sometimes मुझे ये remind करने के लिए कि भाई ऐसे भी लोग भी दुनिया में exist करते हैं.
Obviously.
It is crazy amount of DMs that I have on the
My
other
God.
side. On the other side, and not only girls, there are guys.
Oh
बॉस
my
मैं
God.
मैं परेशान हूँ कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ गलत. And then I'm like, boss, you can't do anything about it. And then people say,
Right.
oh, this is not that, this is not that. Sometimes you cannot expect everybody to be on the same page when you posted a video.
Exactly.
बिकॉज
You
यू हैव
can't make
मेंटालिटी,
people
योर वीडियो
understand.
पोस्टिंग अलग है, आपने क्या सोच के डाला और वो क्या सोच रहा है उससे आपका कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
कोई
एंड आई
लेना
थिंक
नहीं
दैट्स अ
है.
वे, इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग दैट यू सेड.
हम्म.
Did you have, obviously you would had faced failures in life to come to a certain level, but what did you learn, what was the biggest learning, आपकी सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी learning क्या थी failure से?
वापस खड़े हो जाओ और काम पे लगो. फेल
Oh,
होना
yeah.
ही है. The best thing what I learned about failure is na 100 times the failure is going to hit you, but the 101 time you are going to win. तो गिरना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है लाइफ में. जितने बार आप गिरोगे ना उतना आप सीखोगे एंड दैट
Yeah.
शार्पनिंग यू. बिकॉज आज मैं जो खड़ी हूं ना, मैं गिर के ही खड़ी हूँ. और गिरना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू पुश योर सेल्फ, डू मिस्टेक्स, डू रॉन्ग थिंग्स एंड लर्न आउट ऑफ इट. यू आर ट्राइंग टू प्रूफ योर सेल्फ, यू ट्राइंग टू ग्रो. ग्रोथ में ही वही तो चीज है ना. ग्रो. एक आदमी इतना बड़ा बनता है कैसे? 10 फिल्म्स फ्लॉप होती है, 20वीं फिल्म जाके उसकी हिट जाती है. पर द थिंग इज लाइक यू हैव टू कीप डूइंग इट until
Yeah.
unless you make
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Failure is the biggest like motivator, I think. I believe
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
अगर मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है तो मैं करती रहूंगी एंड
Yeah.
it makes you a better person.
Absolutely, absolutely, I agree. And simple example, अभी हफ्ते भर पहले, 10 दिन पहले की बात है. I losing the entire account suddenly out of the
Yeah,
blue at
yeah.
9 o'clock in the morning, and I was one full day I was mourning that account, and I was like, boss, मैं मतलब क्या हो गया, अब मेरी लाइफ खत्म हो गई. And because this
Right,
was
right.
always, it was never about this account. I was never making money out of this account. It was mostly a passion project that I was handling.
Right,
मैं सिर्फ
right,
help करना चाहता था लोगों को, and I don't know
right.
what. Yes. I think after a day, I realized that the purpose of that account was never to make money, never to be a
Exactly.
famous. It was
Yeah.
always to be able to help people. So
Help
I said, जब
people.
purpose ही अलग है, तो फिर आप क्यों रो रहे हो? शुरू करो फिर से, and then
Exactly.
restarting. So get on with it. I think that's what is very important. The moment you said it, खड़े हो जाओ और वापस दौड़ो. I think I
वापस
still
लौटो.
remember that Rocky का dialogue, and I don't forget that. No matter how hard you fall down, get up, because life is hard. It's gonna make you fall and make you sit down if you don't let it.
Exactly. And I believe
So
that's life. That's
yeah,
life. Absolutely.
absolutely. And I remember the way it was said. It is still, if you listen to it in a theater, it gives you that heart and goosebumps. Really.
Right.
So
Right.
I'm
Right.
very
Right.
happy to talk to someone who has the same kind of mentality, same
Mentality.
thought
Yeah,
process. Yeah. Yeah.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Let's talk about uh, something that you have started facing, getting recently, a few months back, and now is fame and success. Now you have things that you have done, and all the hard work that you have done to come to the level that you have today. अभी आपको एक
Right.
success का pattern मिलना चालू हुआ है. You have started seeing true fruits of your labor and everything else,
Right.
and redefining success is what I want to understand. So for me, मुझे मुझे आपसे ये समझना है कि for you, what does success mean?
Hmm. Success is when the global knows me that this is Kanchan Gundal. That is success for me, I think.
Okay.
And
Okay.
right now, I wouldn't say this is success or I'm famous. Like people say that I'm famous, but I don't see myself that being famous. And maybe it's just the stairs I started climbing. To be honest, I quit my job. I was doing an internship after coming from Paris. I was working in Andheri, and everybody around there was like, Kanchan, तू ये job छोड़, तू क्या कर रही है? You deserve to do something big in life,
Mm,
and
mm.
तू modeling कर, तुझे modeling करना चाहिए. What are you doing? And everybody started saying, and I was so confused कि मुझे करना क्या है? मैं career बनाऊं इसमें और ये करूं. And what I chose as my career ना, this is what I wanted to do in my life. That was
Good.
my B plan. जो मैंने
Good.
करियर छोड़ना, मैं पेरिस जाके, that was my B plan. A plan was modeling. तो मैंने
Oh,
सोचा कि let's work on my B plan. A plan तो साथ में करते आ जाएंगे. तो मैंने सोचा B plan तो मैंने कर लिया, that's successful. Let's work on the A plan now. Let's do something that I wanted to do always, and मुझे समझ गया मैं कर सकती हूँ. अभी किसी को कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा मुझे. बना ए प्लान करके दिखाते हैं. नाउ इट्स गोना बी द टर्न अराउंड. एंड
yeah.
जैसे ही मैंने छोड़ दिया, यू कैन सी इन 4 months व्हाट आई एम डूइंग एंड व्हाट पीपल आर
Yeah.
नोइंग अबाउट मी. अगर 4 महीने में इतना हो सकता है, थिंक लाइक
Mm.
इन नेक्स्ट 4 years वेयर आई विल बी, लाइक
Absolutely.
व्हाट पीपल विल नो
Absolutely.
अबाउट मी. एंड
Absolutely.
बस हार्ड वर्क एंड आई बिलीव्ड इन माई सेल्फ. एंड माई मॉम वाज लाइक, ठीक है तू जॉब छोड़, नो वरीज, लेट्स डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इन योर लाइफ. एंड मेरे पापा को तो पता भी नहीं था 3 महीने तक मैं करने क्या वाली हूँ. And my LinkedIn ka ad came up, and my father could see like people are appreciating, like LinkedIn mein she did a role, secondary role, but still people were really appreciating. I made a what do you say, that
Mm.
that board, that what do you want to do in your life for this whole year, what we call that, something that I want to achieve in this year. So I had printed that out, and that
Mm.
was lying बहुत बार ऐसे नीचे नीचे गिर रहा था जहाँ पे मैंने place किया है. The day that LinkedIn came out, my father was home and he actually got it framed and kept it on the same place.
Wow.
And I was so shocked. And he was like, we had like a 3 hours of conversation
Mm.
about what I'm going to do. And I explained to him, like, I'm not going to back off. This is what I want to do in my life, and I'm going to achieve it no matter what. I'm going to be selfish about my career. I'm going to be selfish about my job, and I'm going to achieve it. I have no idea how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. I believe in myself, and that's it. That's it. Which was
Excellent,
crazy.
excellent, excellent. So, what keeps you grounded?
It's my upbringing, I would say. I would
Okay.
say I've seen my mom. This is how I have been brought up, and I've seen a lot of things in my life. We have been very responsible as kids, growing up. Me and my brother, and when people say कि
Mm.
famous होने पे इसके ऊपर बहुत attitude आ जाएगा, ऐसे बहुत लोगों ने बोला, मेरे friends को बोला देख के कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. But my friends backed off and told them ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. तो उसके घर पे जाएगा ना, वो तेरे को खाना बना के खिला के फिर तेरे को घर भेजेगी. दिस दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन कंचन इज इन रियल लाइफ.
So,
दैट
so
कीप्स
I'm
मी
coming
वेरी
down to
ग्राउंडेड.
Mumbai soon then.
Surely, why not? Why not? I'm very like very kind, very humble, and very grounded, because who you are, you
Super,
are. You have to be
super,
rooted.
super.
Whatever happens in life, I'm that kind of caring kind of person in real life. For my friends, for my people,
Absolutely.
from my
Super.
enemies also. अगर तुम मेरे लिए बुरा बोलो, it's okay. It's your opinion. I cannot change it. You can
Correct.
keep talking about me, and I'm happy about it. That's it.
No, no, I think a lot of things that we have in common. And अभी शायद जब हम interact कर रहे थे, we wanted to do this session last week, या हम जब भी interact
Yeah.
कर रहे थे session करने के लिए, that
Yes.
time maybe I was not aligned to what you were as a person, because obviously we have only interacted on Instagram. But
Right.
today hearing you, सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सारी चीजें हम में common है. Like, my philosophy is very simple, that consistency over validation. I don't care what people
Right.
are going to tell me. Validate कर रहे हैं
Right.
नहीं कर रहे हैं, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I will
Right.
do what I
100%.
want to do consistently.
100%.
I know that there will be a day
100%.
that I don't need validation. दूसरा,
Right.
आपने जो बात बोली वो मुझे भी पता है, मतलब हम सबको पता होनी चाहिए, और शायद बहुत लोग सुनते भी हैं उनको भी पता होनी चाहिए, इज दैट इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट पीपल टॉक, बिकॉज
Right.
वो लोग बोलते हैं और वो बोलते
Yeah.
रहेंगे. आपने
बोलते रहेंगे.
और सबसे बड़ी बात है ना, योर family, your friends are the first person, your closest friends and family are the first person who will not come and put a like on that Instagram ad. They will only here say, they will see it, they will see it, they will monitor every damn thing that you're doing in your life. स्टोरीज
Right.
पे जाके देखेंगे, बट एक
देखेंगे.
लाइक एक फीचर नहीं करेंगे. और पीपल हु हेल्प यू और पीपल हु कमेंट आर पीपल हु हैव नॉट नोन यू फॉर इयर्स,
No.
एंड दैट्स
Yeah.
लाइफ, दैट्स हाउ लाइफ इज. सो आई थिंक
Exactly.
for me, in a very simple nutshell, success to me means peace. I would say for me it's not applause. मतलब मैं तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट जब होती है, oh you've done well, 400K, wow, आज अकाउंट चला गया. So I think it's
Yeah.
peace.
Right.
It's
Right.
more of being at peace with yourself, being in
Hmm.
that own shorts and your t-shirt and having a cup of whatever food that you liked eating. Like I
Right.
like
Right.
rice and dal. I think that's peace, success to you. But yeah, so a lot of things are common. Uh, let's move on to.
Also, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry to cut you, but
No, no,
I do
bolo,
not
bolo.
see success as a very definite goal in my life. Like, I never thought I want to be successful or something like that. I just want to be happy in my life, that whatever I want to achieve. I just want to be happy. Like, if I say something like I want to be actress, I want to be an
Hmm.
international model.
Hmm.
If I if I, pursue that, I would be very happy to myself. That would be something that I call like, yes, I'm successful. If I'm happy, my family is happy, my family is proud, that would be successful. Even I will call
Okay.
right this moment also success, because my parents are happy, they are proud that whatever my daughter is doing, she's happy with her life. People are saying like, बाप रे वो बहुत बड़ी actress होने वाली है, let's take a autograph and all of this. Maybe that's success for them, that's success for me also. I'm just happy with the moment, what I'm doing. I want to achieve
How did
it.
Bunny come along? Tell us a little bit about that story and how did Bunny come along? And
Bunny,
suddenly you're an overnight sensation. I see what has hooked me onto that video. And let me put it my way. I did not want to talk about it on the videos or the message. I wanted to talk about you that in the person to you. What
yeah,
has hooked me to watch that video repeatedly, if I have to, is the first glimpse that you put up on your Instagram story, wherein
right,
there is no face. You just have your lips and the bunny first slang, which is the complete without music. It has just the words coming out, and the
right,
way it was pronounced that hooked me onto that video. And
right.
this is what I've seen of that video. But what happened? I mean, how did that happen? If you can just give us a idea.
Bunny, actually, as you see, I've been posting about myself, being bold and all these pictures. I had no definite goal कि यार मुझे किसी म्यूजिक वीडियो में काम करना है, कि मुझे काम करना है. I was just going on. I was just posting myself. That's it. So, the Bunny singer and the music producer, we are batchmates
Oh.
basically back in college, and we did not even talk to each other a lot, like nothing. There was no conversation in college. We used to just study together while exams and all. उसके बाद हमने कुछ बात ही नहीं की है. Out of nowhere, Anish जिसका नाम है, who is the singer of the, he is like, Kanchan, I am launching a new song, it's a new series like Bunny, would you like to be a part of this music video? At night 12 बजे ये मैसेज आ रहा है. आई एम लाइक, ऑफ कोर्स, व्हाई नॉट, आई वुड welcome this opportunity. And no matter what, because he was my friend from college,
Mm,
I
mm,
said yes to him. He's like, let's do the meeting tomorrow and let's wrap
mm,
this up. I was like, fine. We had this meeting. He's telling कि बहुत सा धाकड़ वीडियो बनने वाला. It's all about, you will be the main character. It's about the gangster Rajasthani women, all of this. But मैं एक old lady को लेने वाला था. But I saw your profile and I've known you for so much year. तो मुझे लगा कि you would be very perfect for this role, because you have this aura, you have this charm that can catch people up, and you have this attitude, वो धाकड़ attitude. I was like, yes, that's what I am. I mean, I am धाकड़ kind of that person. Also मेरे को गाना सुनाया. I was like, dude, this is me. This is me. And my surname is Gundal, and I don't know, my ancestor or my uncles were actually goons in Mumbai. My father
oh.
told me, and yeah, so we have this gangster kind of aura as well. तो मैंने बोला कि ये बहुत मिलता जुलता है. I will be very happy to do it. And I believe जो भी, my father has taught me कि जो भी करना है लाइफ में 100% दे के करना है. So I gave my 100% in this video. I had like, मुझे makeup artist की जरूरत पड़ेगी. So I booked a makeup artist who's my friend, and I told her everything कि ऐसा ऐसा करना है. He's like, मुझे ऐसा ऐसा outfit चाहिए. I was like, I'll bring the best to you. मैं लाइक पनवेल कलम्बोली हर जगह घूम घूम के उसको जो आउटफिट चाहिए था वो आई गॉट इट. एंड आई वाज ऑल रेडी. एंड व्हेन ही सॉ मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, ही वाज लाइक, Kanchan, is that you? I was like, of course, that's me. And he couldn't believe कि तूने इतना कुछ किया. I was not expecting. Because if you see उड़ी उड़ी उसका जो पहला गाना था बन्नी से
Uh,
पहले, and
uh.
then you see me, he was like, I did not expect you will be so ready. I was like, I have to kill this video and I have to make this, कि ये वीडियो आगे जाए, तू आगे बढ़े लाइफ में, तेरे साथ मैं भी आगे बढ़ूंगी ना. दिस इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू
Yeah,
शोकेस
yeah,
माई सेल्फ
yeah,
ऑल्सो.
yeah.
And I believe कि pushing people to their best level, and if he does well, I'll do best. So I wanted to be a part of that music video, and of course it's doing great, and I've been the face of it. And I'm very thankful to Anish for casting me in. And everybody is like, भाई casting इतनी अच्छी की, she fits so perfect in that video, and I was so grateful doing that. And हम लोग ने
No, yeah, I think,
3 घंटे में,
the guys who have watched it, the people who have watched it, would definitely agree with what you're saying. मैं
yeah,
खुद बोल रहा हूँ कि मैंने देखा है, and to see you transition from that person watching out of the window across the farms in your house, from the
Yeah.
first Instagram video to the person that you have become today in that Bunny video,
Yeah.
taking the nation by storm. Kudos to you. So well done. I'm so proud to have you here. I'm so proud to
Thank
have you
you.
as a friend and known you for so years. I think you've done phenomenal for yourself. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब लोग अपनी हार्ड वर्क से पहुंचते हैं यार, not with any kind of
Right.
backups and all. So it's so inspiring, and I'm so happy to see that video. People who haven't seen that video, they actually see it. It's something which is very very good to have. So coming to the last few minutes, what I wanted to understand, I'm going to give you a few questions like a rapid fire. I
Right.
won't give you time to kind of think and
Okay.
answer, but just to know, what you feel. So, and maybe, leave the people who are watching or who will watch later on YouTube inspired in a way that what did Kanchan do differently and what did it make her, and what can you leave for the legacy as a legacy for these people to watch.
Right.
Uh, Something like, if this camera shuts down now, what will be the one sentence that you would want to tell the world?
I am unstoppable. I'm not going to look back.
Excellent.
I'm going to
Excellent.
achieve what feels good to me. I'm going to not look back. I'm going to make my name out there and people would know globally. That's what I am going to do.
Excellent. Okay. One life lesson.
एक life lesson. एक life lesson would be that I have to think. That I have to listen to myself. Believe
Okay.
in myself.
That is a very good point.
The validation wala thing what he was talking about, I
Yeah.
do not need anybody's validation
Yeah.
what I want to do in my life because I believe in myself and I am not like a person who does not know how to direct that life. I'm on the driving seat. I'm not the passenger princess here. Yeah.
गॉट इट. अच्छा, आप अभी ऑब्वियसली आपने एक जगह हासिल की है, बट अगर आप अपने किसी यंग वुमेन को एडवाइस करना चाहते हो,
Mm.
तो क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे आप?
You know, young girls have a lot of pressure, peer pressure. खुद का भी प्रेशर होता है, खुद का एक बैटल होता है. आई वुड ओनली से वन थिंग, विन द बैटल विथ योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. When you win that, you are unstoppable because you understand yourself, you accept who you are. Then you can go through and make a career out there, whatever
Yeah,
that might be.
yeah, yeah.
The day you accept yourself, you are wherever you want to be in your life.
Super,
Understand yourself.
super. एंड व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट फॉर कंचन गुंदाल? क्या अगला कदम आप उठाने वाली हैं, या आपका अगला ड्रीम क्या है? व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट?
I think in the few months, ka dream is to come on a billboard, by the way. But let's see
ओके.
what happens.
ओके. सुपर.
Let
सुपर.
Yeah, my life has been very unpredictable. I never knew that मैं म्यूजिक वीडियो करूंगी या फिर लिंक्डइन पे एक एड आने वाली है, कुछ पता नहीं था. Everything happens very quickly. You
या.
never know what happens. मेरा नेक्स्ट म्यूजिक वीडियो भी आ सकता है, नेक्स्ट वेब सीरीज भी आ सकता है. Life goes on and I'm so open to it. Whatever comes, I'm gonna go with it.
Excellent, excellent. I think, last 45 minutes that we've been talking, I think बहुत सारी चीजें हम में common है, and I think I'm very glad to have found you here as a person who genuinely wants to work hard.
Yeah.
If I had to take away a few things from this talk that we had across the table, across the world, I would say rather, is आई थिंक यू एज अ पर्सन, जो आप कैमरे के सामने हैं, और यू एज अ पर्सन जो आप एक्चुअल में हैं, बहुत डिफरेंट है. नॉट दैट यू आर डिफरेंट इन अ बैड वे, यू आर डिफरेंट इन अ गुड वे. आप अच्छे
Could
तरह से
be.
डिफरेंट हैं. इन आप बोथ ट्रेडिशन एंड वेस्टर्न कल्चर आप साथ लेके चलती हैं. तो आप घर में जब हैं, तो आप एज अ डॉटर, एज अ फैमिली, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ नॉर्मल पर्सन की तरह बिहेव करते हैं. आप ऐसे नहीं है कि वो नहीं, मैं घर में हूं तो मैं उस टाइम भी वैसे ही रहूंगी, which is very
Right.
different. And then when you are at a different work, or when you're in your profile, it's a very different connection, because obviously that's the world wants to see. Glamour is very different, but glamour ne
Exactly.
aapko, you have kept yourself grounded by the values. So I think those are
Yeah.
things that are very inspiring, and those are things that young people should listen. जो हमको सुन
Listen.
रहे हैं या
Right.
जो हमको सुनेंगे फ्यूचर में, I think they should understand from what you have gained. And I'm so happy to have you here. So happy to have this connect today and this chat today.
Yeah.
आई कैन एटलीस्ट से वन थिंग, जब भी नहीं, आई विल रादर से, when you become famous, not if, because you will become famous in the much larger tone. When you
Right.
become famous, I'll be the one who will be pushing this video and saying, you know what, I interviewed Kanchan, I
Oh
spoke
my
to Kanchan
God.
Kundal first. But I think life teaches us a lot. I'm 49, I'm still learning, I'm still evolving. आप young हो,
Right.
आप उस level पे जा रहे हो और आप अपने आप को continuously evolve कर रहे हो with every
Right.
single passing day. आप
True.
अपने वीडियोस में जब जाते हो, लाइव जाते हो, या जब आप पोस्ट बनाते हो, it's a very different post than what people generally make. You do
Right.
things very differently, which is very nice. आपके पोस्ट में, आपके वीडियोस में, आपके रील्स में बहुत डिफरेंट कंटेंट है, which I like, and it's very different to what people post, and which is very good.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Kanchan, for sharing your heart out with us. I think
Thank
it's
you so
I
much.
मुझे बहुत समझ में आया, मुझे बहुत टाइम से आपसे बात करनी थी, और
Mm-hmm.
फोन पे हर तरह की बात होती है, बट बीइंग
Right.
लाइव एंड बीइंग ओपन टू
Right.
टॉक इज वेरी डिफरेंट. But it's been a very good experience I've had. I think this has been one of my very good sessions that I've had with anyone for a long, long time. So I'm very
Thank you.
inspired after talking to you, after what you think. And young people like you will make a huge difference in the world. And I'm sure, and I will
Of
make sure my
course.
daughter watches this to
Of
learn
course.
that, to learn from what you have done in life and how you have done, and what you have faced and how you have overcome them. So I will
Of
definitely
course.
ensure
Of
that
course.
Tricia watches it. And
Thank you so much.
all love to you, more power to you, all the best. Keep rocking, keep showing
Thank you.
us what you can deliver and breaking barriers.
Obviously. Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for having me, even talking
anytime.
about all of this, about my life and how my journey has been. It's been great for giving me the stage as well. And of course, in future, I would also watch old Kanchan, how she was talking so confidently and how she's achieving what she has said
Yeah,
today in the live
yeah.
video. It's been
You
great.
will, you will, you will. Take care of
Thank
yourself.
you. Thank
All
you.
the best.
Yes.
And I'll see you
Thank
soon
you.
again. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes. Thank you so
Bye.
much. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.